Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Grow Potion. First, you need to understand its purpose, to temporarily enlarge your character. This potion is incredibly useful for reaching high places or intimidating opponents. We'll cover where to find the necessary components and how to combine them effectively. Getting started is straightforward once you know the steps. Let's dive into the details of acquiring this powerful item. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 giant mushrooms, which are typically found deep within the Whispering Woods. Next, venture into the shimmering crystal caves to collect 2 vials of sparkling dew. Finally, for the most elusive component, seek out 1 rare moon petal, which blooms only on the highest points of the celestial peaks. These items are essential for a potent brew. Once you have all your ingredients, head to any alchemy station. Start by placing the 3 giant mushrooms into the cauldron. Next, carefully pour in the 2 vials of sparkling dew. The mixture will begin to shimmer. Finally, add the single moon petal. Stir the concoction for about 30 seconds until it glows a vibrant green. Your Grow Potion is now ready for use. To use your Grow Potion, simply consume it. Your character will grow significantly for approximately 5 minutes, granting you temporary advantages. For an enhanced effect, consider combining it with a swiftness elixir to gain both size and speed. This combination can be incredibly powerful in various situations. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routines, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They make meal prep a breeze.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.